Okay, 7th grade. I am at a meeting today and not here to teach you. So this video is your instruction and there are directions embedded within. So please watch to the end and then if you need to rewind and actually do the activities, you can rewind to do the activities. You will need a half-sheet worksheet from the music stand, which you may have already received and been told to complete, and that's fine. You will need your assigned keyboard. This is the same number that you used last class. The listing is posted in the Music Google Classroom, so you can check there if you do not remember. If your keyboard sound does not work today, that is okay. Don't bug the substitute with trying to fix it. Don't waste your time trying to fix it. It's all right. If the sound does not work, simply take the keyboard, not the iPad, the keyboard, and you can play the same patterns and practice the same patterns with no sound, just based on visually how it looks. And I will walk you through that throughout this video. Let's get started. If you haven't already, you're going to fill out this half sheet of paper. If you need to pause the video, fill in the answers that you know. If you don't know something, leave it blank. That's okay. When you're done filling out the paper to the best of your ability, then press play again, and we're going to go over the answers. Now is the time to pause to finish filling out this paper. I am assuming that you have filled out this paper on your own without this video so that I can see what you do or do not know. Your name is at the top of the paper where it says name. Today's date is in the date. It is whatever period you're on, cycle day 5. Number 1, how many notes are in a triad? That word is pronounced triad. Think about the word try. It means 3. If you get the answer correct, if you had it correct on your paper, you're going to give yourself a big check mark beside the number 1. If you got it wrong, give yourself an X, but do not correct. For number 2, what specific notes are in the 1 chord? What were those notes we talked about last class? Do, mi, so. If that's what you said, give yourself a check. If it was wrong, give yourself an X. Do not correct. Number 3, we use our left hand to play harmony chords. Shade in the correct keys of the 1 chord on this keyboard down below. If you couldn't do that before, you should be able to do it now. Shade in the 3 notes of the 1 chord. They should be do, mi, and so. If you got that correct, give yourself a check. If it was wrong, give yourself an X. Number 4. When playing a triad with all 3 notes at one time, stacked on top of each other, what is that called? You can either circle broken or blocked. So when you play all 3 notes at the same time, stacked on top of each other like a snowman, is that broken or blocked? It is blocked. Give yourself a check if you had it correct. Number 5. When playing a triad with all 3 notes separated or played individually, what is that called? Is it broken or blocked? It is broken when we play the notes individually. If you got that correct, give yourself a check. If it was wrong, give yourself an X. You're not going to correct. If you had something wrong, you're giving yourself an X for wrong, a check for right. When you're done correcting your paper, then you're going to turn it in with the substitute teacher. Make sure your name is at the top. Let's quickly review. Harmony is another tool that composers use to tell their stories. Chords support a melody. For example, last class we saw a video of a musician playing harmony with a melody called Amazing Grace. Each chord had its own feeling or vibe, and this is how composers can express different emotions through their use of harmony chords. The phrase home is used, and this refers to the key signature. You always start at home when you start a song or go on a trip. And so the home chord is the do chord, the 1 chord. It supports the key signature. Then we have supportive chords that the composer can choose throughout. And we always end up in the same place we started. We always end with the home chord, the do chord. named our chords, or triads in the bass clef, a number. So we had 1, 2, 3, and so on. In music, we always refer and write those numbers in the Roman numeral number rather than the regular number. Remember that the triads happen in the bass clef, so that means our left hand does the playing on the pianos. These are examples of blocked chords because they are stacked on top of each other. Let's review the one chord, the C chord. The one chord is built on the first scale degree, Do. On the piano keyboard, our Do is C. You find the set of 2 black keys, and to the left is Do, the base of this chord. Then we do every other key, so we skip Re, and the second note of the triad is Mi. The third note of the triad is So. When we play this exercise, we play it with our left hand because it is in the bass clef. So we go Do, Mi, So. 5th finger, 3rd finger, thumb, 1st finger. When we play the exercise, first we play it broken, Do, Mi, So. Then we play it blocked, at all 3 notes at the same time, blocked. Oops. Do, Mi, So together, and then the exercise goes backwards. So, Mi, Do, together, 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 together. I want you to pull out your keyboard. If the sound does not work, that's okay. Look at your yellow packet and where you marked which notes were Do, Mi, and So. Visually find the set of 2 black keys. Put your pinky on C or Do. Put your 3rd finger on Mi or E. And put your thumb on G or So. And try playing this exercise. Pause the video, practice the one chord, and then put your keyboard back down under your chair and play the video again so that you can learn another chord. You should have played the one chord. Now we're going to talk about the 4 chord. The one chord was built on the 1st scale degree, Do. The 4 chord is built on the 4th scale degree, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4th scale degree is Fa. On the piano, I can count up from Do, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, or I can look at the set of 3 black keys and go to the left and put my pinky there for Fa. That's the first note of the 4 chord. Then I go every other, so I skip So, and the second note of my triad is La. Then I skip again, and the last note of my 4 chord is a high Do. So the 3 notes in the 4 chord are Fa, La, and Do. Pull out your yellow packet if you haven't already. On the second page, there is a spot marked the 4 chord. This is where we are working right now. The 4 chord is built on the 4th note of the scale. It includes the solfege pitches of, what were the 3 pitches we just said? Oh yes, Fa, La, and Do. Write that in your notes on your yellow packet. On the piano keyboard on your packet, we have marked our Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So, La, Ti, and Do. Let's star the 3 pitches that belong in the 4 chord, Fa, La, and Do. Remember Fa, we find the set of 3 black keys, and we go to the left. There is Fa, F. Put a star there. The next note in our chord was La, so we skip over So and we go to La. Put a star on A. Then we skip over T, and the last note in our triad was Do, so put a star on the higher C. You should have a star on F, A, C. Fa, La, Do. In the bass clef, you can play a 4 chord up high on lines, fa, la, do, together. You can also play a 4 chord down low on spaces in the bass clef staff, fa, la, do, together. Take a look at this picture. It shows that we still play with our 5th, 3rd, and thumb. 5th finger goes on fa by those sets of 3 black keys. 3rd finger goes on la. Thumb goes on high do. 5, 3, 1. Fa, la, do. We're going to try playing this on your keyboard. If you need to watch Mrs. Hartman playing it, I will try to share that video in the Google Classroom. If you don't need to see it, that's okay. You're going to use your 5th finger, 3rd finger, thumb. Fa, la, do. The exercise is the same pattern as the 1 chord, but you're starting on a different pitch. You're starting on fa. So you're going to play it broken. Fa, la, do, and then you're going to play it blocked together. Then you're going to keep doing that. Fa, la, do, together, and then backwards. Do, la, fa, together, 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 together. Go ahead and pause this video and practice the fa chord, the 4 chord. You should have practiced the 4 chord and feel pretty comfortable playing it. So using your previously learned knowledge of the 1 and 4 chords, what do you think a 5 chord is? Hopefully you said, well, the 5 chord is probably built on the 5th scale degree, and you'd be right. The 5 chord is built on the 5th note of the scale. It includes the solfege pitches of so, ti, and re. This is in your yellow packet, so you want to go ahead and pull that out if you didn't already. And write down, the 5 chord is built on the 5th note of the scale. It includes the solfege pitches of so, ti, and re. On the piano keyboard, so is kind of in between those 3 black keys. If I find the 3 black keys, and I find the first of the 3, to the left is fa, to the right is so. That's where I'm putting my star on my piano keyboard in my packet. Then the 3 pitches are so, ti, and re. So I'm going to put a star on ti, which is over here on the right of the set of 3 black pitches. And then re is right in between the 2 black keys on the piano. So my star is on G, B, D. So, ti, re. The 5 chord looks like this in the bass staff. It can be played on space notes, so, ti, re, together. It could be played on line notes, so, ti, re, together. You guessed it. You use your left hand to play the 5 chord. Your 5th finger goes on so, 3rd finger on ti, 1st finger on re. So, ti, re. Here is the 5 chord pattern. It's the same as before. So, ti, re, together. So, ti, re, together. Re, ti, so. Together, 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 together. I will share Mrs. Hartman's video of the so chord as well in the Google Classroom. I'm going to skip it for now. I'm skipping that as well. On this paper on your screen, here's where you'd want to pause this video to practice all 3 kinds of chords. The 1 chord is exercise number 1. Do, mi, so. The 4 chord is exercise number 2. Fa, la, do. The 3 chord is exercise number, the 5 chord is exercise number 3. So, ti, re. The patterns stay the same, but the